concept, divisibility test. So what is the concept? Divisibility test for a number. For example, say this is divisibility rule for 2. Then next I wrote divisibility rule for 3. Clear? So similarly we can write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear? So we have to see the rule for divisibility rule for 2, 3, 4 like this. Okay? Now if I consider any small number, for example, if you get any small number, for example 2 or 20, okay? So this number, easily we can say which number will divide this 20, which table divides 20, isn't it? So 2 divides 20, we know. Next 4 divides 20, 5 divides 20, then 10 divides 20, even 20 also divides 20, right? So suppose if you get large number, 2050, so like this. Means this is 2 lakh 54. So can you say which table divides 2 lakh 54? So difficult to find, isn't it? You have to divide, it will take more time. It will take time to solve this. So easily we can find the answer by using this rule. See, divisibility rule of 2 says that if it ends with a number like 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, means see the number. Here I considered one example 1520. 1520. In this number, the last digit, see the last digit, that is 0. So the last digit is a 0. So we can say that 1520 is divisible by 2 table. Clear? So 2 divides this number. Why? Because the last digit is here 0. So what is the rule? If it ends with the number, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, okay? This the last digit, if you get these numbers. Here in the second example 124, so last digit is here 4. So we can say that 2 divides 124. Okay. In next example, third example, say 27,462. 27,462. See the last digit, last number is 2. So if you get 2 in the last table, then we can say that this number is divisible by 2 table. Clear? Otherwise you have to divide like this. You have to check whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not. So we'll check 27,462 divisible by 2 table. You have to divide by long division. You have to divide step by step, right? But without doing this division, without doing this method, directly we can find the answer by using this rule, divisibility rule. Clear? So how to identify? See, divisibility rule of 2 says that if a number ends with a number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, last digit should be 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. So here in this example, see last digit is a 0. So we can say that this number is divisible by 2. If I consider another number 52,999, okay, 52,999, can you say that this number is divisible by 2? See the last digit is here 9. So this number is not divisible by 2, because the rule says that if it ends with the number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, but in this example the last digit is here 9. So this number is not divisible by 2. Clear? Next divisibility rule for 3. Divisibility rule of 3. So now see, when we can say the number is divisible by 3. If you get small number, we can say, for example, if you get 27 we can say in 3 table. So 27 completely divides, right? 3 divides 27. If you get number 27, then you can say 27 is divisible by 3 table. In case if you get large numbers like this 2079, can you say without doing number is divisible by 3 or not? No. So what is the rule? We can say, you must know the rule. See, what is the rule? You have to apply this rule. Means the addition of number must be divisible by 3. Addition of number must be divisible by 3. So you have to find the sum of this number. Sum means addition, right? You have to find the sum. So now 2079. See here one example is given. 2079. You have to find out, you have to check whether this number divisible by 3 or not. How we can check? Without doing long division method, directly we can find the answer. Like this, see, 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 9. Okay? Add all the numbers, all the digits. Means 2 plus 0 plus 7 plus 9. Okay? Now if you add, you get 2 plus 0, that is 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 7, 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 9, that is 18. Correct? 9 plus 9, 18. So now, can you say that the 3 divides 18? Yes, 3 divides 18. Therefore, we can say that 2079 is divisible by 3 table. 2079, 2079 is divisible by 3 table. Divisible by 3. Why? Because the sum of this number will get 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. Correct? 18 is a multiple of 3. 18 is a 3 table, right? So we can say that this number also divisible by 3. How to check? No, you must know this rule. See, the addition of number must be divisible by 3. If addition of the number is divisible by 3, then we can say that the given number definitely will divide, right? So second example here 1324 means 1324. So 1324, first add all the numbers, all the digits. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. First add all these numbers. So what will get answer? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, we get 10. So now see the number. The answer we got 10. Now you have to see whether 10 is a multiple of 3. Is it 10 is a multiple of 3? No. 3 does not divide 10. Isn't it? We cannot see 10 in 3 table. So we can say that this number is not divisible by 3. Clear? So this number is not divisible by 3. Because why this is not divisible by 3? Because adding, if you find sum of this number, we get answer 10. So 10 is not a multiple of 3. Clear? 10 is not a multiple of 3. So we can say that this 1324 is not divisible by 3 table. So this is a easy method to identify the given number is divisible by 3 or not. Clear? Yes. So this is a procedure. Thank you. Okay, next see divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility rule of 4. See here, the last 2 digits. See here, the last 2 digits must divisible by 4. The last 2 digit must divisible by 4. If you get last 2 digits must divisible by 4. Means for example here 4624. 4624. In this example, see the last digit, last 2 digit, not last digit, last 2 digit. If that number is divisible by 4, then we can say that this number is divides. Clear? So see here, the last digit is here 24. Last number is 20. Last 2 digits are 24. You know 24 is divisible by 4 table. 24 divisible by which table? 4 table. Correct? 4 how was 24? 4 6 are 24. So we can say that this 4624 is divisible by 4 table. Clear? So next examples here. This is 5,25,020. 5,25,020. find directly. We can find the answer. We can identify the given number divisible by 4 or not. Okay, how to check? Divisibility rule of 4 says that the last two digits must be divisible by 4. See the last two digit, that is here 20, correct? Last two digit is 20. See that 20 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 divides 20. 4 how much is 20? 4 5 is 20. So we can say that this given example, this number is divisible by 4 because the last two digits are divisible by 4. So we can say that this 5,25,000 or 20 are divisible by 4. Okay. So next see here 39,326. 39,326. Whether this number is divisible by 4 or not. Can you say? So the last number is here 26. Last two digit is 26. Is it 4 divides 26? Is that 4 divides 26? No. 4 does not divide 26. So we can say that this 39,326 is not divisible by 4 table. Clear? It's not divisible by 4. Okay? Next rule, divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5. What is that? The number must ends by 0 or 5. The number must ends by 0 or 5. So you have to see the last digit. If last digit is 0 or it may be 5, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 5. Clear? The given number is divisible by 5 table. Okay. Now see an example. 22,500. 22,500. In this last digit is 0. Right? Last digit is 0. Then we can say that 22,500. This number is divisible by 5 table. This number is divisible by 5. Clear? So next example. 3,245. 3,245. See the last digit. The divisibility rule of 5 says that the last number ends with a 0 or 5. Okay. So here also see the example. 3,245. The last digit is here 5. So we can say that this number is divisible by 5. Clear? Now last we see one more divisibility rule of 6. What is the rule says that if it is divisible by 2 and by 3 table. If it is divisible by 2 and by 3. See now example 27972 means 27,972. 27,972. So this number is divisible by 6 or not. The rule says that if the given number is divisible by 2 and by 3, should divide both by 2 and by 3. If just divisible by 2 means it will not divisible by 6. So you have to check both 2 and 3. The given number must divisible by 2 and must divisible by 3. Then we can say that the given number is divisible by 6. Clear? So first we check divisibility. This 27,972 is divisible by 2 table. Why? Because the last digit is here 2. Correct? The last digit is 2. We know that 2 divides. If last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then 2 divides, right? So in this number, last digit is here 2. So 27,972 divisible by 2 table. Next you have to check whether the same number is divisible by 3 or not. So now check 2 plus 7. Divisibility rule of 3. You have to add all the numbers. 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2. So what happens if we add all the numbers? See, 2 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. So 27 is a multiple of 3, right? 27 is a multiple of 3. So 3 divides 27. 3 divides 27. So this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So 27,972 is divisible by 2 and 3. So therefore we can say that the number is divisible by 6. Yeah, the number is divisible by 6 because 2 and 3 table divides that number. So 6 also divides the same number. Clear? Yes. Thank you.